So hello everyone. Once again we are back with another tutorial for the another assignment, that is B13 Hadoop MapReduce. So all MapReduce is known for is the word count, and just this is the another way or another assignment and another variation of the same assignment. So let's look at the sample file and let's see what we need to do in this assignment. We need to do is that we have fixed an ID of 17. Okay, so this file is can be as huge as possible. So uh, for the sample file we have taken very small file. So in the sample file, let's see what we can see. This is the user ID, this is the book name, and this is the hit count. So hit count may refer to the number of times the same book has been issued by the same user ID. So our task is that get all the books and the hit counts of 17, and then arrange this book and the hit counts on the basis of the ascending order in terms of hit count. So if I get a hit count of 6, 7, 8, 9 of different books, all will be in sequence. So let's get started. So I've written the code already for you, and as usual every MapReduce program consists of a mapper, reducer, reducer, and the main, where you configure your mapper and reducer for job. So in your mapper we will be tokenizing get the user ID. If it's equal to 17, we'll set the word by the book name, and set the hit count by the hit count, and then output to a file. Once done, we'll pass it to reducer, where we'll collect it with the keys and values and sort it. Once sorted, we'll output to the file, and the same will be pushed to the output file in the HDFS. Okay, cool. So what's required in this code? So to execute this, don't get worried by seeing the strike offs on all the programs and the names. It is because of the depreciation, because of the library of that is being quite outdated used in the program. So we have used two jar files, external jar files, that are important, and carry this in your pen drive for the safe side, because they may and may not provide. So tell the lab assistant that these are the two important things to execute this program. So you give us through your pen drive or anyway, just provide us, but we require this too, and this will not be available for sure. So you need to ask explicitly, carry with you in your pen drive. So these two files, just say it, you will get it online anywhere, the same jar files, download it. And another thing, keep in mind that your execution of execution environment, Java execution environment in Eclipse should be the same as that of the Hadoop when you export it as a jar file. So here 1.7, because in all the labs the 1.7 GRE or JDK has been installed and set up and configured. So accordingly, look for it that your Java environment also is of 1.7 in your Eclipse value code. Okay, apply. Once done, we are not going to do anything in Eclipse. We'll directly go to file, export, runnable jar file, next, MapReduce, which one you are willing to go. It will be exported to desktop hello1.jar. Okay, extract required libraries into the generated jar, finish. Once finished, don't see anything. Yes, overwrite, I have already done, that's why. Okay, we are done with Eclipse. We have nothing to do with the Eclipse from now. We'll go to terminal. I'm already in desktop, so let me see if hello1.jar is, yes, hello1.jar is already there. So before starting, let's check if Hadoop is up. JPS, yes, all the 5 nodes are up. Resource manager, node manager, secondary name node, data node. Okay, if it's not there, so go for start dash all dot sh, enter. You need to enter your passwords for 4 times, and then you're good to go. So first step is to move your jar file to HDFS. So we'll be moving that jar file to HDFS by the command HDFS dash copy from local your complete path hello1.jar. Cool. Yeah, let's deploy it. So yes, we have sent it. Then we will be creating jar files, input files there, copy from local, your sample text to input file. Okay, done. Now we'll execute the jar file. So you will observe that this input file acts as my input path here, and this is the output file that will be created while creating the output, and this is the jar file that we imported to the HDFS, and now we'll be executing it. So job has started. Once the mapreduce part starts, so it will mean that there will not be any issue. Okay, so map and reduce has started, so it will go till the end and no issues will be encountered. Okay, we are done. So let's see if a file has been created in the output folder. So ls/output. Okay, yes, there is a file created here. So let's cat it, display it on the terminal and see what are the results. Okay, so now you get it. So all the 17 user ID, these are the books that were used by the user ID at different occasions, and these are the head counts here this side, and they have been arranged in the order of hit count from ascending order from lowest to highest. So that's it. That's what required from the program. Thank you.